Hi guys, I'm Overarch, and today I'm going to be talking about the unseen in the Battletech universe. So, the Battletech community has had a bit of an influx due to the success of MechWarrior Online and the Battletech strategy game, as well as the hype surrounding the upcoming MechWarrior 5. The unseen, for those of you that don't know, are 42 mechs that were removed from the Battletech universe in 1996. And by removed, I mean they are still part of the canon. However, they were not seen in any Battletech products between 1996 and MechWarrior Online. The reason for their removal was an ongoing legal battle between the holders of the Robotech intellectual property and Battletech. The Robotech holders claimed that these mechs infringed on their intellectual property and were copies of the mechs within their universe. For those of you that don't know anything about Robotech, which is understandable, it's not nearly as popular as Battletech and has not had any major releases in quite a long time. It is a mecha, anime, and manga series set on Earth. It also had one or two video games, nothing hugely successful, no real blockbusters. While it features a lot of mechs of varying design, the lead mecha were Transformers and could transform between a humanoid, a jet fighter, and kind of a hybrid of the two. Now, obviously, there's a huge difference between transforming highly stylized mechs and the more down-to-earth, gritty Battletech mechs. So the two really are not that similar in terms of theme, style. I don't really think you could mistake the two. And also, many of the mechs in question are extremely generic, such as the Warhammer, which was just a humanoid with guns. It's not exactly hugely creative, yet Robotech is claiming that any, bipedal mech that doesn't have arms and instead has guns is technically infringing upon their rights. Yeah, seems kinda far-fetched to me. There has been an on-again, off-again legal battle between the two copyright holders, and Battletech finally decided just to remove the unseen in order to prevent the cost of further legal battles, even if they likely would have won. There are a number of other YouTubers who can give you way better summaries of the legal cases. I'm just a dumb video game player, not a lawyer. The situation is also very complex with different IP holders in different countries and licensing rights and so on. So I'm going to stick to my lane, video games, and there are plenty of videos on the topic by people who actually have legal expertise. The important thing for us gamers to know is that the legal battles began again with the Robotech IP versus Piranha Games and Harebrained Schemes, the publishers of MechWarrior Online and the Battletech strategy game, respectively. Robotech sought damages from the publishing of these two games, and was essentially trying to sue them for using the unseen in their games, bipedal mechs with guns. And this lawsuit dragged on for quite a while. In fact, the lawsuit against Harebrained Schemes is still ongoing. However, the courts did recently side with Piranha Games against the holders of the Robotech series, and YouTuber Law, actually, who I'm linking to in the top right of this video, currently has a much better video summarizing this than I do. But from my understanding of it, the plaintiffs didn't actually hold the rights to distribute the Robotech series in the US. And there's some confusion with this. Apparently the person they bought the rights from didn't have the rights either, or only had limited distribution rights to the Robotech series, so he could not sell them the entirety of the Robotech IP because he didn't actually own it. Again, check out YouTuber Law for a way better description of that than I can give. So, while the suit against Harebrained Schemes is ongoing, it's likely that they will side as the other court did. And so for this reason, that means that we as tabletop and video gamers can expect to see the unseen, these 42 pretty cool looking mechs, in future Battletech games, both on tabletop and in video games. And in fact, MechWarrior Online has even implemented some of them already. The lawsuit was likely why the unseen were not featured in Battletech, the strategy game, In fact, Battletech Alpha had models for the Warhammer, which is an unseen. However, it was not included in the final game. So hopefully we get to start seeing some of those in our games, which is cool because it adds more variety to the series and to the universe. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.